Number 5.
When you're building cabinets, cases, and boxes, holding the pieces in position during assembly can be one of the biggest challenges. The Craig 90-degree corner clamp simplifies the assembly process by aligning and holding corners and partitions at perfect 90-degree angles, so you have both hands free to add fasteners. Unlike some corner clamps that can be cumbersome to use, the 90-degree corner clamp is simple. Plus, it works with 90-degree butt joints and T-joints used to attach shelves and partitions. All you have to do is squeeze the padded handles, and the clamp's cast aluminum wedge and V-shapes draw tight against the inside and outside faces of the joint. This holds the two pieces at exactly 90 degrees. A reversible corner stop makes it easy to align the mating pieces in the clamp, while edge stops cast into the outer V help ensure that the edges will be flush and aligned too. With the clamp holding the joint securely together, you can add the fasteners. The 90-degree corner clamp works great for building with Craig pocket hole joinery. It even has access points in the outer V that allow you to drive a Craig screw with the clamp still in position. Openings in the outer V also make it easy to attach the joint with the brad nailer, or even to drill and drive conventional wood screws. The 90-degree corner clamp is great for building drawers, cases, boxes, and more because it works with thin materials and lumber up to 1 inch thick. And thanks to Craig's AutoMax auto-adjusting technology, you never have to readjust the clamp when you move from one material thickness to another. Just squeeze the clamp handles and AutoMax technology does the rest.
Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.
A quality router table is one of the most important tools for any serious woodworker to have in their woodshop. Whether you're routing a simple dado, putting an edge on a countertop, or building an entire set of raised panel doors, the Craig Precision Router Table can help you finish projects faster and with greater precision than ever before. Through a unique set of features, including its table saw-inspired self-squaring fence, the Precision Router Table provides an innovative look at one of the most useful tools in your shop. The feature that truly sets the Precision Router Table apart from the competition is its fence. Featuring a unique self-squaring T-square design, similar to those found on high-end table saws, the fence stays perfectly parallel to the miter slot, making many routing tasks faster and easier than ever before. Conventional router tables' dual pivot designs require adjustment from both sides of the fence. Because each side can be adjusted individually, any adjustment from one end does not represent the change near the bit. The Craig Router Table, however, features a self-squaring design, which eliminates this problem. The fence glides along the mounting rail, which automatically squares the fence with the miter slot when the lockdown handle is depressed. Why is this important? With the fence squared with the table, you can be sure that every adjustment you make on the scale is perfectly and instantly translated to the center of the fence. There's no reason to adjust from both sides of the table, and there's no reason to get out the tape measure and pencil to readjust the fence to the miter slot. What you see on the measuring scale is what you get at the bit. When working with a bearingless bit to construct a sliding dovetail joint, this feature can be easily appreciated. With the sliding scale zeroed on the center of the bit, any adjustments in either direction will accurately indicate the distance between the fence face and the center of the router bit. 1/4 of an inch on the precision lens cursor means 1/4 of an inch at the bit, instantly. Normally, getting that sliding joint exactly right can be a challenge. Because of our fence's parallel design and micro-adjust capability, you can quickly and easily adjust the setting for a perfectly fitting dovetail. If you end up slightly off mark, the micro-adjuster lets you dial in adjustments as small as 1/5000th of an inch with the simple turn of a thumb wheel. In addition, because the fence is self-squaring, you can now make full use of the miter slot without having to make manual adjustments to your conventional fence. When coping a rail for a door, simply slide the miter gauge into the miter slot, press your workpiece up against the face, and push it past the bit. The Precision Router Table's fence also features 2 independent fence faces, which allow the table to double as a vertical jointer. To offset the outfeed fence, simply loosen the bolts on the fence face, remove the spacing rods from the back side, and slide the rods into the correct spacing notch, offsetting the face by 1/16th or 1/32nd of an inch. In only a few steps, you've transformed your router table into a versatile jointer. The fence itself is made from a fully enclosed tubular aluminum extrusion, which offers tremendous strength and rigidity to the entire length of the fence. Combined with the far side lockdown anchor, you can now work confidently, even with the largest workpieces, without worrying about the fence bowing under the strain. Beyond the fence, the Precision Router Table features many features that improve the way you work. At the base of the table, you will find a heavy-duty industrial-grade steel stand, which can be adjusted between 31 and 36 inches in height. The stand can be optionally outfitted with Craig 3-inch dual locking casters, which prevent both wheel spin and pivot, and comes standard with 4 large leveling feet which adjust to your imperfect shop floor. The stand also features mounting holes, so it can be quickly enclosed with plywood for additional storage or dust collection. Most popular router tabletops are made from